I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your balance on your Rogers Prepaid SIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check number. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the SIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Listen to the automated message. After dialing, listen to the automated voice prompt. It will inform you of your current balance and any available data. Step 3. Use the Rogers app. If you prefer using an app, download the Rogers My Account app from your app store. Log in with your account credentials to view your balance. Step 4. Check your balance online. Alternatively, you can check your balance by visiting the Rogers website. Log into your account and navigate to the Prepaid section to see your balance. Step 5. Set up balance alerts. To avoid surprises, consider setting up balance alerts in the app or online. This way, you'll receive notifications when your balance is low. Remember, if you dial the balance check number and don't hear anything, make sure your phone is connected to the network. Happy checking!